Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's go ahead and click here, and then we're going to click on new customer stats here. So now we have to fill the form to create our account. So let's do that. I'm going to put in my name, first name and last name. And then you're going to put in your phone number or your email address. I'm going to go with email. And then your password. And now that's all done, I'm going to click verify email. And then I'm going to solve this puzzle. So all done. So it's going to prompt you to verify your email, and OTP has been sent to my email. So I'm just going to go and there it is. I'm going to copy the code. Paste it and click on verify. Now it's going to ask us to add a mobile phone number. So I'm just quickly going to do that. It's going to ask for an OTP as well. So I'm going to paste that. And then create your Amazon account. There it is, guys, already created. So you can now go ahead and buy and do whatever you want to do. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a lovely day and stay safe.